in Lil Ripper Prime or Lil Nardwuar, we'll be trying a YouTuber snack, which I already had, but I'm gonna try the sour edition and compare it to the normal edition. We'll be trying Fruit Block sours and Fruit Blocks together. So first we'll try the normal ones. I'll give y'all a taste test of the normal ones again, and I'll compare them because we're doing a comparison. So we got the normal Fruit Blocks. It's just normal dude on it. Kind of unspeakable. It's kind of cool. It's apple and strawberry. So we'll test them. This ain't the way to open it. Let's just rip it open anyway. This is apple. We'll try the apple first.
What? It was literally green!
Apple was at least a good 6, and then I like strawberry more than apple generally, but actually I love the sour ones more than the normal ones just because I like sour in general. But anyway, these are a good solid like 8, and we'll try the strawberry right now.
This is the account that we're going to use to beat them, alright?
And just for the memes, we gotta try both.
You know it, alright? Of course. Thank you so much to all. Then on Hassan and K Lover. Yo,
these non-GMO too, so they make them really good. Now we'll try Fruit Block sours, which I'm gonna set this down for just a sec because I want to show y'all what's actually in the package. We got stickers in the package, which is pretty cool. Last time we got cards, but now we got stickers, which are pretty cool. I guess you could stick those whatever you want, like PCs, computers, phones, phone cases, refrigerators, cabinets, stuff like that. And then with this one, you get collectible cards, but also you got an RQ code, which you can scan for prizes. Unspeakable, and James and Gabe will tell you all about that in Unspeakable, the YouTuber, but these are pretty good. I like the normal ones. They come with like cool cards and stuff. I still really like the normal ones, but now we'll taste test the sours now. This is apple, strawberry, and watermelon. So first we'll try the apple because that's on top.
Me and Steak win.
Yeah. Wait, between Meat Steve and Noodle Neck, who wins? I feel like Meat Steve's the goat.
Meat Steve?
Meat Steve.
Wait, that reminds me of BDP.
No, Meat Steve. Meat Steve.
Time for strawberry.
Alright, I added you guys.
Okay, I just added you guys too. Who are we joining?
Yeah. Steak.
Strawberry's really good. Watermelon.
I'm ready.
How about the richest person in this call buys this one?
Taylor.
And then we'll try all of them.
It's not me, bro. It's literally Steak.
If I could ever get them out.
And
That's the thing, is this pack